Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sprinter Innovation Campus. Thanks to Dr. Winkenbach for giving us this insight into the transformation of logistics in urban environments. I'm sure who went Christmas shopping on Saturday will actually appreciate this transformation. I don't need any water, it was just the colleague. Okay, the city is the working and living space of our vehicles. Many of modern services that make urban life so agreeable are not conceivable without vans. Because in a digitized world, the hardware, they are the hardware that take products and services to customers. And if life and logistics in the city changes, our vans also have to change. And for this reason, a year ago, we held our Van Innovation Campus. At the time, we presented the future initiative Advance, and that revolutionizes Mercedes-Benz at the moment. We are becoming the supplier of holistic mobility solutions rather than being a mere vehicle producer. We started Advance because the enormous developments in cities and in digitization create completely new challenges, not just for us, but also for our customers. At the time, we presented a lot of intelligent solutions for these areas, partially in the form of pilot projects, partially as concepts that we then worked on. What was a strategic look into our workshop a year ago becomes more concrete in today's event. With this Sprinter Innovation Campus, we'd like to demonstrate to you how we have developed the new Sprinter. As the first standard production car by Mercedes-Benz vans, it brings the basic idea of Advance onto the road. And we have good reasons for relying on the Sprinter for that purpose. Since 1995, our flagship has been on the spearhead of technological development. At the time, it established a new segment, the boundaries of which were constantly redefined. And it will be the case this time as well. This is our claim. The new Sprinter embodies our advanced philosophy and thus goes far beyond anything that you have known in this segment so far. Ladies and gentlemen, our completely redesigned Sprinter will be a unique integrated transport solution. A completely connected van as a part of the Internet of Things. And connectivity is actually designed into the DNA of the vehicle already. And I'm not just claiming this, we're also going to prove this, how we turned a combination of fundamental innovations and specific industry focus into the optimum solution for our customers. Why is the Sprinter the perfect basis for this? Well, first of all, there's the Sprinter success story so far. Just a few figures. All over, the Sprinter is on the roads of more than 130 countries. Since its premiere, we have sold more than 3.3 million models. In the first 9 months of this year alone, we have sold more than 142,000 units. So still a record level, even in the last year of the current model. What is this success based on? Well, clearly the Sprinter is the perfect answer to the challenges of modern transport in every industry. Just recall the 90s, when we first launched the Sprinter. Digitization started very slowly in 1995, and it changed our lives. Many bought their first cell phone. The internet was very expensive and still very slowly, but it didn't just offer a plethora of information, but also new forms of consuming. Think of eBay or Amazon. Internet giants appeared out of nowhere, often on platform models. Since then, traditional companies had to adapt their business models to the competition and to fiercer competition, because customers were now able to compare offers and pick out the best option. This cost pressure required an even higher transport efficiency. Particularly goods transport became more fragmented, more dynamic, and more individual. Businesses of all types needed a new type of van for all industries, with high annual mileage and a large cargo space and a lot of flexibility. In this period, our Sprinter struck the right chord, because that was exactly what it scored with. A van with maximum flexibility that becomes a customized solution based on the interaction of customer requests and manufacturer response. What was really remarkable about this new approach was that the Sprinter was the first model by Mercedes-Benz that didn't just carry a combination of figures and letters as a name. Instead, it got an international name that was easily understood and that puts its concept in a nutshell: flexible, agile, and unique. Today, this name stands for a whole segment, and we're really proud of that. At the same time, it's an obligation for us for the future. The Sprinter must always be at the spearhead of development and must be a benchmark for the transport industry, for large logistics companies and for the crafts business round the corner alike. And this is where Advance comes in. As I said, we are transforming. Rather than being a mere vehicle producer, we are becoming a supplier of integrated transport and mobility solutions. Meanwhile, the initiative consists of 5 areas. Digital Advance is about connectivity and digital networking of our vehicles. With Solution Advance, we're developing hardware solutions that make daily business more efficient for our customers. In the area Rental Advance, we deal with innovative rental models with a pay-per-use approach, that is, mobility on demand. With Sharing Advance, here we're dealing with new concepts in public passenger transport. And eDrive Advance, here we develop a comprehensive approach for electric mobility. With Advance, we are also changing our working culture. We are creating agile units that bundle diverse competencies and that work on individual solutions, ranging from mechanical and electrical engineers down to lawyers, psychologists, and social scientists. The new Sprinter will be the first model series where all these innovations are brought together. The result is a completely new concept that we no longer consider a vehicle. No, it's an overall system solution. We are expanding on the basic idea of the versatility of the product, that is the hardware as such, and transform it into a new, more intelligent design, while still offering the traditional Mercedes virtues like safety, comfort, and quality. Our flagship becomes a smart piece of hardware that we can adapt to any use case and any industry together with our customers.